Welcome also from my side. My name is Borchert. I'm from BGI Solutions in Berlin. And we are proud to present you some case studies, some examples of Bing Maps applications that we compiled and that we offer and that we also show here on our booth live, just straight on this way at the Bing Maps booth. So you're invited to see and discover these solutions live anytime during this exhibition. So we actually prepared this presentation in German, but because of our English guests, we do the presentation in English, but the slides are mainly in German, so excuse me for that. First of all, who are we? Who am I? BGI Solutions. BGI stands for Best Geo Software International. No, it's Borchert GeoInfo. Because when we founded this company in 2000, we didn't find a more fancy name, so it's BGI now Solutions. We are based in Berlin, as I said, and we have two divisions. We do software solutions and also consultancy. And as you can see with these photos, we are very proud to show we are not only gold certified Microsoft partner. We've been this for 5 or 6 years now. We were also elected Microsoft Partner of the Year for Germany. We are very proud of this because we are the one out of 30,000 German partners who won this award by Microsoft in the States. I skip this one. Which are our customers? So we have a wide variety of customers in all different industries like energy, media, logistics, retail, real estate, and so on. So we are familiar with all these questions, and we offer different solutions for them. Today, we are focused on Microsoft. We are a strong Microsoft Bing Maps partner. That's why we are here. We are. This is what you can see in the first line. We are the so-called VTSP for Microsoft Bing Maps here in Germany. That means we are the virtual technical solution professional. That means we help Microsoft, the guys like Michael and others here in this area, to show the power and the possibilities to customers with proof of concepts and so on. So if you are willing to integrate Bing Maps and you're not sure if this could work with your questions and your demands, we can put something together to prove that this is all possible. And as you can see, our technology portfolio is offering a lot of technologies like database, Oracle, SQL Server, but we are also familiar with Esri GIS software, and we very often provide solutions consistent of Esri, desktop professional GIS, combined with a Bing Maps solution, a very lean and reliable and cheap solution. That's why we are doing this. We developed an own location intelligence framework, as we call it. It means we have a modular system out of different functionality that we can assemble, put together to different special solutions for different industries. And out of this, we develop these solutions like the Energymapper that we are presenting here, which is nominated for the Wichmann Innovations Award. So you're invited to vote for us, of course, to also get some voting cards at our booth. So that's why I'm concentrating today on the Energymapper, but we also develop other solutions, as you can see here. For example, the thematic mapper. I show you 2 or 3 case studies shortly. So this is the thematic mapper. This is what you can do just with the Bing Maps API. And with the Silverlight solution. So as you can see here, we can provide a very nice, lean, small, we say in German, schlanke solution that can offer you possibilities that usually only desktop GIS or other GIS products can offer, like layers, choroplating maps, thematic maps, charts, pie charts, scalable logos and symbols on the map. So all this is what you can do just with the Bing Maps web servers, with the Bing Maps license, and with some modules that we can offer. So you don't need big or comprehensive GIS technology for this, or big back-end technology. This is a classic showcase for geomarketing questions in the retail business or real estate business and so on. for sales questions. We also offer mobile solutions based on Microsoft Windows 8, the new Windows 8 apps. We just released the new AutoScout 24 app. I skip this one and we'll go directly to the Energymapper. So the Energymapper, the BGI Energymapper, is a solution for power line, energy power line providers, Stromnetzbetreiber in German. So this is running now at one of the 4 big power line suppliers in Germany, providing the energy for 18 million people in the northeast of Germany. And this is running in a very secure environment on their technical control center, where they control the whole network of some 1,000 kilometers of power lines, all these big lines that you see out in the countryside. And what you can see here is the possibility of the layer of the Bing maps overlaid with live weather information. As you can see here, a rain radar map that is moving dynamically in the system. You can see it on our booth. We can show you this. I don't have the video here. And it is combined with lots of other data. So the whole thing is about integrating different sources, like the weather information from a weather data provider. The red lines, as you can see here, is the power grid in Germany that we can get from the database and the main system from the company, but also from other providers. And we can add some more layers. And this is, as you can see, still the Bing Maps control you see in the front. This is, you don't need any training for the people to use it. They just can use it as they are used to use it from the consumer side, from Bing Maps. They can zoom in, they can pan, they can select different layers. And as you can see here, we have also integrated not only radar from weather, rainfall. We also have different zip code areas with warnings that are provided by this weather service. So this all helps the power line provider, the network provider, to handle all this power network, to first of all to look for incidents. If there is an incident, an accident, like a flash hit one of the lines, we also get these data of all Germany, and we can see, or the provider can see, the user can see what kind of weather will hit them and could maybe damage or influence their network. This is how it looks like if you would have it animated. So you see the rain radar like you know it from weather forecasts on TV or on the internet. You can see it dynamically on your map. This is a zoom in, shows you how the power lines look on the base maps of Bing Maps, on the air photos. And the good thing is that what Michael pointed out before, because we have just this new fresh imagery material from Microsoft, this new 30 centimeter resolution global auto project photos, imagery. Our customers very surprised and very excited about all these new images, because they can now really dive into their areas of problems where incidents happened and so on, to fix the problem. For example, if a flash or something hit one of the power lines. On the right-hand side, you can see how it looks like on the air photo, and they have also these transformator, these Umspannwerke, centers of changing the energy frequency and so on. I skip this one. Show you some other weather data like temperature data and specialties that these users in the energy business have to know to run their system and to be warned by new weather incidents that could disturb their network. So I would like to just show you another example, what is possible here also in this system with Bing Maps, because it's very open to different sources and to standard interfaces. We are able to integrate cadastral maps, the ALK or ALKIS in Germany, Liegenschaftskarten. So everything fits perfectly together. You just connect this web servers and you can use Bing Maps as a web map server combined with cadastral maps, for example, in different regions in Germany for all, almost all provinces in Germany. And you can switch the look and feel like from orthophoto and ALK maps, or what we saw before, the Bing map combined with the ALK. So that means like Bing Maps, the APIs offer you a whole web map service. Yeah, you don't need any other big technology for this. We use a little middleware and we actually integrate all these web map services. We also integrated other official German cadastral or topographic maps. And you can also integrate OpenStreetMaps. So what you can see here, these areas in gray, these are special areas, protected areas like natural resorts, reserve areas that you can integrate. And we have also all these wind power windmills, yeah, integrated in the system. You can see them in the air photo, in the new ones. They're fitting quite well and on the map. And this is very important for the new change of energy supply in Germany, because these network providers have to know when wind means like more energy comes into the network, because they have to stabilize the whole network on 50 hertz on this frequency. So that's why it's very important to see where is wind energy coming in, where is the weather influencing this, and making sure that the whole system works perfectly and stable. I switch. Yeah, we have the, also a possibility of integrating the web servers of the C maps and so on. So I switch this. Lots of slides. Okay. I said I will show you some other examples. So this is geomarketing. As you can see here, the Deutsche Post, for example, is also one of our OEM partners. They're using one of our modules, the thematic mapper, for geomarketing. So also for core plating maps, for geocoding of customers, for a cockpit solution displaying different KPIs in, for example, pie charts. All this is possible and is coming soon. Also, web Windows 8 apps for Bing Maps. So watch out late in October when we have the Windows 8 on the market, the Windows 8 devices and apps. Okay, what else can you do? Here's an example of an integration in SAP, because lots of our enterprise customers worldwide, not only in Germany, use SAP as their ERP main system. And we integrated already this Bing Map solution, for example, in the real estate module, and also in the sales and distribution module. So you can directly visualize your data out of the ERP system like SAP, CRM systems like Dynamics, and so on. So this shows you how flexible the Bing Maps API is and how easy it is to integrate these maps in the core and the basic main systems of the customer. So I would like to show you this as the last example. Fleurop is the world leader in what is it in English? In the flower delivery. So they're a portal where you can book to get flowers delivered to your grandma, whatever. So they are running an SAP system, and also a Dynamics CRM system, and also a BI system. And to all the systems we attached this Bing Maps solution just with the Bing Maps API and some own development out of our thematic mapper. So for the sales and the distribution module, for delivering the flowers, you're using, or the customer is using the Bing Maps API with the routing functionality. So what you can see here on the screenshot is all these blue lines are all the routes, the distances from the address where the flowers have to be delivered to next morning. And you see out of the system, out of the SAP module, all the green dots are the locations of the flower partners, means like the flower shops. So, and within a second, the system calculates all the distances and is selecting the flower shop that is available and that has different other parameters fulfilled and has the shortest distance for the delivery. Because, as you can imagine, they're delivering millions of flowers, bouquets every month. And it's very important because of the cost of the delivery to find the shortest distance from the flower shop who is available at this time. So I think that gives you a good impression of what is possible with Bing Maps, with the API. You have seen critical solutions that run in a technical control centers with weather data live animated. We have the possibility in geomarketing to build thematic maps as you had before, only with desktop GIS systems. And we have all this routing and route planning and traveling salesman solutions already set up for these sales and delivery purposes. So this is a proof to show you what Bing Maps is able to deliver, the whole variety of functionalities and modules. And we are very proud and excited to discover the new functionalities coming up in the next releases. So thank you very much.